Hello everyone, today I will show you how to underline comment box text on a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now select your comment option in this menu bar and scroll out comment box and double click on this comment box and drag your mouse cursor, select your text and apply underline, and this right sidebar here you will find this underline option. Simply click on this underline and see this text now underlined, and also I'll underline this text box text. Drag your mouse cursor, select your text and simply select underline and see this underline now apply. In this way you can underline a specific word or character and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.